In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Salesforce org in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a developer looking to experiment with new features or someone interested in exploring Salesforce's capabilities, setting up your own Salesforce organization is a great way to get started. Now let's dive right into the process. First, we'll begin our journey at the Salesforce Developer Edition page. You'll want to ensure you're on the right page, so click on the link provided, which takes you to a sign-up page for the Developer Edition with Agentforce and Data Cloud. This is where we will initiate our organization's creation. Developer Edition is a free version of Salesforce meant for testing and development purposes. It offers you the full Salesforce platform and gives you the perfect sandbox to play around with without any risk or cost. Now that we're on the correct page, our next step is to fill out the registration form with your details. This form will ask for standard information such as your first name, last name, email, and company name. Remember to use a valid email address because Salesforce will send crucial setup information there. If you don't have a company name, don't worry. You can put your personal name or something simple. The form also includes fields for a role and country. Your role doesn't have to be precise. Select whatever best matches your use case from the drop-down menu. For the country, simply scroll down and choose your current location. Once you've filled out all the necessary fields, you'll find a checkbox to agree to Salesforce's terms and conditions. It's important to review these to understand your rights and responsibilities when using the platform. After that, you can go ahead and click the Sign Me Up button. Clicking this button submits your registration, and shortly afterward, check your email inbox for a welcome email from Salesforce. If you don't see it in your inbox, make sure to review your spam or junk folders. Sometimes automated emails get tucked away there. Within this email, you'll find a link that allows you to verify your email address and activate your new Salesforce Developer Edition org. Click that link, follow any prompted instructions to set your password and security question, and voila! Your Salesforce org is ready to use. This user-friendly setup gives you access to Salesforce in its full glory, where you can start exploring various features like creating custom apps, testing automation, and more. And that's it, you now have a new Salesforce org you can call your very own, set up in just 5 minutes. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful, and I encourage you to explore the wide array of features Salesforce has to offer. Thanks for watching, and happy developing.